Meet the ultimate precision tool for every builder and DIY enthusiast. This sleek silver angle finder combines a durable metal ruler with a smooth rotating protractor and a built-in bubble level for flawless accuracy. Imagine effortlessly marking perfect angles, checking surfaces, and measuring lengths, all with one compact device in your hand. It feels solid, reliable, and ready to tackle any project, from furniture building to home renovations. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore prices and delivery options. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more smart tool reviews and DIY inspiration. Key features include a 35-centimeter ruler, metric and imperial scales, angle range from 0 to 180 degrees, and a built-in level for instant alignment.